Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to have Google Chrome as your default browser. What you want to do is you want to go into your settings. So the way you go about that is you click on this little notification here. Do you see the apps option? So you want to click on apps. Let me just enlarge this. And then do you see default apps? So you click on default apps. You have all the sort of applications for all sorts of stuff. As you can see on web browser, as I told you before, my web browser is on Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to go on Microsoft Edge and I'm going to click on it. Now you see all the other options that I have. If I want to switch to Chrome, then I will click on Google Chrome. Switch anyway, and now Google Chrome is my main browser. That's pretty much it. If you're not happy, you could go back again and change it back to anything that you like. So that's how you change your default browser. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section, and you can also check out these videos that you might find equally useful. I will see you later. Bye bye.